At Discovery Cube, our #1 goal is to help young minds shine as brightly as possible through world-class, hands-on STEM education. This Giving Tuesday through the holiday season, we're asking our Cube family to give the gift of discovery. Help Discovery Cube continue to inspire, educate, and impact the kids of Southern California and beyond with world-class STEM and STEAM programming. Help Discovery Cube continue to inspire, educate, and impact the kids of Southern California and beyond with world-class STEM and STEAM programming. Your support will make a lasting difference in our children's education, reaching kids, families, and classrooms in new and meaningful ways. Help illuminate the curiosity, wonder, and imagination of our children. Your gift will help advance STEM proficiency, early childhood education, healthy living, and environmental stewardship, as well as support local educators, their students, and all of us committed to improving the lives of the children in Southern California and beyond. Together, our Cube colors will be brighter than ever.